start off with the beautiful river. Just all the way with the beautiful river. This spot is usually the most crowded place in the summer. But we start off with a beautiful start in our YouTube video. Hey guys, I'm back, and as I was saying, beautiful, just plain beautiful. I found an animal. I found an animal. There's an animal right there. There's an animal right there. Wonder what type of animal it is.
The last time we opened these until May or June.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. The beautiful trees. The beautiful river. And the beautiful nature. Now we come back to me. So we are going to explore this state park. Which this state park is amazing. Guess the bird just went underwater. It got something. It looked like it got something. Wait, let me show you. There's the bird. Look at this. Look at the bird. Watch the bird. It might go underwater again. Yeah, maybe not. It's okay. Yeah. I mean, we're here to explore this park. And this place is one of the most coolest parks I've ever seen. Most beautifulest parks I've ever seen. You're like, wait, you should have been to many parks that are more beautiful than this, like in Mississippi or somewhere like that. In California? I mean, California's Yosemite National Park is one of the best. I can tell you that. Just, I don't live in crowded or really big state. I live in Idaho. This is nature life. They barely have any parks, but they have one of the beautifulest parks. So yeah, this is amazing park. Wait, I gotta pause the video real quick. So yeah, this place is one of the most. Right now, I'm walking towards where the kids usually play, because parks always need playgrounds, and playgrounds are fun. And playgrounds are fun for kids like me. We are right now heading towards the playground. Oh yeah, look at this. We got. Oh wait, it's not. Well, okay, we got the frisbee thing. Frisbee. I forgot what they're calling it, but yeah. So we are walking straight towards it, where the kids usually play. And we're here right now. And I'm not going to show you it yet, but I will show it to you later. And yeah, this is where a lot of kids play. So yeah, but the most beautiful thing about this park in the fall is the trees. Look at this red tree. Look at the trees. The trees are one of the most beautifulest parts. But in the summer, the most funnest part is the river. A lot of kids go to swim there. I can tell you on the weekends, holidays in the summer, yeah, they all like to come here for barbecues. Yes, it's just crazy. But yeah. Yeah. So as you see, we are in Eagle. To tell you, this is Eagle Island. So, do you want a good view of the river? Well, let me show you. Okay, so you're walking towards a good view of the river. I'm climbing a squirrel. There's a squirrel. there was a squirrel just right there. There it is. There's 2 squirrels. Okay, there's 2 squirrels. See that squirrel right there? See that thing moving? That's a squirrel. There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel. Sorry, it's blurry, but I gotta be very quiet. That's a really cool sight. The squirrel's still right there. The squirrel's, where did it go? Okay. There it is, right there. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Just beautiful nature. Beautiful, just pure beautiful. Nature is here for. So yeah. Right now we are walking to one of the most favorite places in the spot. Look at all those wildlife. Look at the wildlife. Look at all those wildlife besides humans. Look at all the ducks. That is crazy, right? Oh, that's swimming things. I don't want to see that, but look at this. I'm gonna go get a closer view of that, okay? That's cool though. I'm gonna get a closer view of it. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. So yeah. As you can see, the ducks are in a group together. This is the most beautiful place, I would say, that I've been to this fall so far. So good. Well, real quick, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm gonna actually focus on the wildlife. Look at all of these guys. Just pure beautiful. This is all this stuff. I don't know what that thing is. So yeah. This is the coolest part I would see right now in the video. So yeah, we're gonna go walk somewhere else. So I'm gonna pause. I found a secret area right now, and I don't know why, but I just found a secret area. I have not seen this place before. Well, maybe I've seen it, but I didn't notice it. But this is the cool. I'm gonna ask my grandma if I can go there. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. My grandma said yes. I just cannot talk to anybody. And yeah, I'm gonna pause the video again. I noticed this before, but I found another way up here. So yeah, let's go up to this place. Let's go find out what we can see. Up we go. I just love to run. Okay, here we go. We're getting higher right now. I got scared of this place a little bit. A lot of things that might happen today. I've never been up here before. I've seen it, but I've never been up here. Oh, why is there bamboo here? Okay. Look at the high view. I got to the highest point. Excuse me. This is what it looks like. It looks like swampland. But, sorry. As you can see, it's forest. So now we're gonna go back down. Okay, so yeah. Oh my goodness. I gotta go. Whee! Oh my goodness, I'm going that fast. Okay. Yeah. Good part. Like the video and subscribe if you want more videos of nature. Oh yeah. Sorry. When I run too much, I gotta start coughing. I'm gonna pause the videos. Oh yeah, and I just remembered what those frisbee things are called. Frisbee goats. So yeah. I think I found a crane just now. Wait, let me just get the really close. Is that a crane? I can't tell. That's a crane, I think. It's a crane, I think. Like this video if you like the cranes. That is so cool. Okay, now we're gonna go to the place where it's really cool. So yeah. So we're walking down a little place.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go this way. Okay, so we are traveling with my grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. Say hi.
Hello.
He is sometimes a teaser, so as I did in my first YouTube video. Oh yeah! Speaking of this, my first made YouTube video. Not the trailer, but the main YouTube video. I got my own look. Star Wars, the hood on, and yeah. I got my own look right now because, of course, how about this? Every time I'm out in the nature, and if I still fit in this, I wear this. Got that? That's going to be amazing. Now, back to the video. Okay, that wasn't really back to the video. I'm going to pause real quick. I just paused because there was a few sounds. Oh, there's a squirrel. There's a squirrel right there. Do you see it? You see that squirrel, right? It's running. It's running. It's running. It's running. Okay, there it's gone. So yeah, we're walking the way. You should probably see my shadow. So yeah, it's gonna take a little. While, so I'm gonna pause. There are still ducks here. Many ducks too.
Alligators too.
They are not alligators, Grandpa. Stop teasing. Yep, still like the first video. Teaser. There's a squirrel. Yeah, it left. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video finally. Okay. Actually, we're actually heading up. See that place over there? Sorry, my finger. See that thing over there? That's where we used to be. Sit. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video so we can get there. So yeah, this is the little place we're going to. Let's go in it. Let's go in it. These are wild. Whoa. What is these things? Oh, like wild berries or something. I didn't know these things existed in here. But yeah, this looks cool. What's that? Oh, it's probably just a human doing awesome things. Let's go. Now we're going. It's not a goat. It's a human. He's still teasing. This is a place where you could just look around to see what it looks like over there. So yeah, there's the opening. We're almost there. Guys, I know you're getting a little excited, so yeah. We're almost there. I gotta pause the video one more time to get there. We are finally here. The place where, where you go. This is one of the quietest places over here. Unless there's a party over there. So yeah, like and subscribe. We either sat right there. Let me show you. So we either sat right there. Wait, sorry. Wait, dang it. We either sat right there. Right there. There's two chairs over there. And then we set that one over there. So yeah. So yeah, we're doing great. Oh yeah, there's a barbecue. And there's another chair we used to sit at too. How you doing? Yeah. Let's go. This is the trees area too. Oh yeah, you can also go zip lining. I forgot about that. See? Those are not power lines, those are zip lines. And I don't know what that does, but what are those things down there? So yeah, I don't know what those things are. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking around. A lot of leaves here, a lot. There are actually 3 ways you can enter by using your feet. That way over there. And the other way is coming up. Oh my goodness, my grandpa's so slow. He's just on his phone right now. Look how far he is. And I'm right here. From there. Okay, he's finally making it. Go, Grandpa! That's funny, right? Okay, now we're getting close to him. Let's go, Grandpa.
Okay.
Let's go down in the... Let's go. go. Let's go. And there's a little canal over here. Oh yeah, you could go snow tubing here. Maybe I might do a video of snow tubing. Who knows? Oh, the old traditional way. Oh goodness, the sun. The sun! This is a frisbee golf thing again. You kind of see the entrance over there. You can't really see it though. Why are there flags over there? We're gonna pause the video again. So yeah, so my grandpa can catch up. So yeah. There's the second entry, the middle entry, I should say. But this is the slide you could go down in the summer, and that's also, I think, there where you can climb up and go snow tubing. So yeah, I really wish my mom came on the. I really wish I started that the YouTube video when I went to see all the elk. So one time I went to Cascade. And there was this place where I went sledding, and they keep all the elk there for the winter, and they feed them. And we went sledding there. There were so many, like I couldn't even count. Like it felt like there was a million there. Oh yeah, here's the full way of. Oh, there's an elk. And there's the actual entrance. So yeah. And there's another entrance over there. So yeah. That's basically the whole park. Oh yeah, and I said I would show you the little place where kids like to play. I didn't think I would do this, but here's what it looks like. We have to get closer. Let's reach this video to 100 likes, since not that many people have watched my YouTube video. Let's just get it to 100 likes. Let's just do that, and let's get a bunch of subscribers. Oh yeah, and here's the park. The park is amazing. Let's go. So yeah, this place is pretty cool. Sometimes I like to go down here and practice like acrobatic skills. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, now we are going across this place. I'll show you what this place right here. 1 step, 2 step. This is gonna be a little hard because I'm holding a phone while watching yourself. This is the bridge. Now I must be careful because I don't want to drop the phone. This is a little place where you climb down up here. Go like that. This is going to be a little scary because I literally have a phone in my hand. Oh, this is an amazing place, isn't it? Wildlife, wildlife, wildlife. The best thing is that my thing I like wildlife is because there are so many beautiful things that is wildlife. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's another slide, but there's right there. But the one we're going down is this slide. Ready? Are you ready to go down this slide? I wouldn't believe I'm actually doing this, but I'm gonna do it, so yeah. That was bad. But there is one place I skipped. The rock wall. Let's do this. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Let's go down the slide again. Let's go down the slide again. This time, see my expressions. Whee! This place is amazing. This is the full tour of Eagle Island. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! and never give up.